In this video, we'll show you how to export and import downloads from Download Monitor. For this, we'll use the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which works perfectly as a professional CSV importer and exporter from Monitor downloads. In addition, it offers you unlimited search and bulk editing options. With the help of this plugin, you can easily migrate your downloads to another site by downloading all the information to a CSV file, which you can edit in Excel or Google Sheets, and once the changes are applied, you can quickly import all the changes or new downloads to Download Monitor. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. After we have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we'll need to set up the download spreadsheet. To do this, go to the WP Sheet Editor Setup Spreadsheet option. Select the Downloads post type. Then Save to go on. In this section, you'll select the columns to display in the spreadsheet. Once you are done, scroll down and save to generate the spreadsheet. Now you'll see the spreadsheet containing all your downloads and their complete information displayed. All the downloads will be displayed in the rows, while the download fields will be displayed in the columns. If you have to export all the downloads to a CSV file to edit with Excel, Google Sheets or any CSV file editor, we'll show you how to do it. First, we'll open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export active columns. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we exported is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you can edit the existing downloads and create new downloads using the columns in the CSV, which in this case we already did, and then save the file if you're working with Excel, but if you are working with Google Sheets you'll have to download the file. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the downloads will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In a few seconds, you'll see the information of your downloads updated in the spreadsheet. You don't have to worry about difficult processes anymore, as exporting and importing downloads from Download Monitor is really easy with WP Sheet Editor. The best part is that you save a lot of time, and save yourself from tedious repetitive processes. Remember that in the video description, you'll find the links to download the plugin and to visit our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.